Just thought I'd throw a quick little update on the little camper. Hadn't been on here in a while. Added shutters to it this year. Painted the trim black. I think that looks a lot better than the galvanized that it originally had. We're going to Arkansas this year in it, which should be fun. We're going to Crater of Diamonds State Park. Hopefully hit it big. With our luck, most likely not. Redid the door, so now it looks a little bit better. Added this plaque for our state stickers. On the inside, nothing really too much different, other than we added a 10-gallon water tank as opposed to the 7-gallon jug that I had before that was just a pain in the butt and never really worked right. Well, I guess for now, until we change something else, I'll get off of here. Thanks for watching.